In this guide, you'll learn how to upload and publish a video post on Patreon. First, select the library option in the sidebar to access your content tools. Then, click Create a Post to begin a new entry. Next, choose the video option so you can upload your file. Click the Browse link and select your desired video from your computer. Now, start by adding a title and description for your post. Fill in the details to introduce your video to your audience. Next, open More options and select your audience for the post, such as free members or everyone. Adjust these settings carefully to control who can view your content. You can choose to make this post a drop for added exclusivity. Then, click Publish to share your video with your audience. Finally, close the dialog box to complete your post and return to the dashboard. Your video post is now live and accessible to your chosen audience on Patreon.